Hi everyone, this is Cooking with Kurt. Today, my husband Donald and I are going to show you how to make Ube Fudge Brownies. These are ube bars with a fudgy, brownie-like consistency, but instead of cocoa powder or bittersweet chocolate, we're using white chocolate to complement the ube flavor.
This is the perfect thing to serve at a party or picnic. This recipe was requested by a lot of you. Thanks so much for your requests, and we hope you like this video.
To start, put an oven rack in the middle position and preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then take a square 8 by 8 inch baking dish and line it with parchment paper. Cut 2 long strips of parchment paper that are the width of the pan and place them vertically and horizontally in the pan. This will help with taking the brownies out to cool once they're out of the oven. Next, we're going to melt some white chocolate. Take a large heat-proof bowl like glass or stainless steel and place it over a saucepan of simmering water in a double boiler setup. Add in 4 ounces of white chocolate, which is about 2/3 cup of white chocolate chips, and 14 tablespoons of unsalted butter that have been cut into chunks. Stir this until both the chocolate and butter have melted. Once the mixture is well combined, remove the bowl from the heat. Add in half a cup of ube halaya and whisk it in till it's well incorporated and the mixture is smooth. Then add in 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 packed cup of light brown sugar, 1½ teaspoons of ube extract, and half a teaspoon of table salt. Whisk these in until well incorporated and the mixture is smooth. Then whisk in 4 large eggs, adding 1 egg at a time, making sure each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next one. Then add half a cup of all-purpose flour. Whisk in the flour just until well combined. Do not overbeat the batter, as we don't want to beat in excess air. Tap the bowl gently on the counter to get rid of any large air bubbles. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it sit at room temperature for 30 minutes.
This will allow the batter to thicken. After the 30 minutes are up, pour the batter into the prepared 8-inch by 8-inch baking dish. We're going to bake this in our preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes. Or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean and batter-free. Let it cool in the baking dish for 10 minutes. Then, holding onto parchment paper ends, remove the Ube Fudge Brownies from the baking dish and transfer to a cooling rack. Let it cool completely to room temperature.
When it has cooled to room temperature, transfer again using the parchment paper onto a chopping board. Take a large knife, and we recommend dipping your knife in hot water, wiping it dry, then making a cut by bringing the knife down firmly and pulling it back completely without a seesawing motion. Repeat the dipping and wiping process after each cut. We usually cut them into 16 pieces. And there it is, amazingly decadent Ube Fudge Brownies. Ang sarap.
Yum.
So good. These bars are packed with ube flavor.
And I love how fudgy the texture is. So good.
Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know in the comment section below if you're planning to make these Ube Fudge Brownies. Send us pictures of your creations on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Links below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt.
And don't forget to click on the bell so you get notified when we post new cooking videos. And for our written recipes, be sure to check out cookingwithkurt.com. Maraming salamat!